to Jupiter Tapia Official. So we're gonna start this Roblox.
Yes.
This is the Roblox character, and he's new Roblox. You can see it for this sign. And this is our clay. He's spinning around, and we can get it. And this is inside of the clay.
May isukuko.
Okay, you can get it now if you want. So we're gonna get some Roblox activity. Ta-da! Roblox. This is the Roblox band, and this is, I think we're gonna get this one. I think this one, I guess. So, right now we're gonna open it. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. I'm gonna get the Roblox. So, right now, I'm gonna get this Roblox, the cone. First thing, the cone of the Roblox. And second thing, his who's here. And his walkie-talkie is the first walkie-talkie. And this two, he ride this one. I'm not sure what his name is. And I love this character so much. I love it. So we're gonna get this stuff. And this is the body. Let's put it the body. Body. Follow the instructions, I guess. I follow the instructions, guys. So now we're gonna put it back. The head is tidy up, I guess.
My.
This is put it back, his hand of the Roblox. So this is his hat right now, guys. Let's put it back. And he's done. He's clean. But it's shiny clean. Let's put it the walkie-talkie. And the gun. This is the gun. Let's get his gun right out. Gun, come here. Okay. This is his gun right now, guys. So, give it a set. You can set right now next to his family. So, here's this. And I guess we're gonna like this. But it's not all. We're gonna put it back on here right now, like this. And let's put it black because this is black. So I cannot believe to see all this the Roblox. So I'm gonna play the clay. Clay. Let's make the clay. Clay one, big one. I really sure they didn't know of this one because it's big one. And I love it. It's falling down, I guess. I'm gonna get them.